I applied for more than 10 jobs this summer. I thought before the college begins, let's utilize this summertime. And therefore, I applied for more than 10 internships, and one organization hired me as a fundraiser, and it's Naipak Foundation hired me as a fundraiser for them. I worked for one day, only one day. I I posted about it on all my social media handles. I reached 60 people online uh, for donations for that organization, but no one turned up. Like literally, no one came forward to donate. Guess what? The day I joined, I quitted on the same day. This is how these online jobs work. I thought this fundraising thing is not meant for me anymore. I just need to search for another job. Thing is, I went there, I just gave one more try because they are providing me certificate. I reached different people, I consulted different people online, and I consulted my family and friends. They told me that why are you doing this? Is it worth doing it? Is it worth putting all those efforts? And I thought, yeah, they will provide me certificate if I raised at least 1k to them. And they told me, darling, every certificate is not worth. Certificates are valuable, I agree, but every certificate is not worth, trust me. And they are thirst trapping you with certificates, okay? Just be careful whether research about that certificate, whether it is useful or not, before working for any organization, any company, any NGO. Try to gain those certificate which proves your knowledge, which adds social credibility to you, which adds experience responsibility to you. Gain those type of certificates. In as many skills you can, put the work in, and that skill knowledge you have will open many doors for you. They will open many doors for you. I wish there are hourly paid wages in India too. Like if you work for 2 to 3 hours and you get paid for how much you have worked. Why it is not possible in India if it is possible in USA? Many teenagers, many 18 plus students work part-time jobs and they continue their studies, but why it is not possible in India? I want to earn for myself too. I don't want to rely on my father's money every time when I want to buy something. I want to earn for myself. Why such systems are not introduced in India? I'm not talking about the freelancers, but I also want to work in cafe. It might sound weird, but I want to earn. I want to earn some money for myself. I want to buy gifts to my loved ones. I want to earn for myself. Why the system doesn't work? The gig system in America, the people will respect the system of working hourly based. We want the fast working culture in India too. Don't you think? It should work upon, like, our economy will grow fast if we do that, isn't it? Why they are not introducing such systems? Like why people in India are mostly with the mindset of monthly pay scale, more stable jobs rather than working per hours or weekly basis, you know? Thank you for watching this video. Last video I made reached so many people. I am very thankful for your feedbacks and your amazing response that you are related to it, and I love you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments section. I will make sure I will reply to you.